Classroom vocabularies. Classroom vocabularies. Compass, protractor, set squares, ruler, pencil sharpener, rubber eraser, hole punch, stapler, flask, crayons, calendar, test tubes, palette and brush, funnel, beaker, notebook, binders, clipboard, writing pad, stack of papers, tracing papers, glue, highlighter, glue stick, Scotch tape, scissors, gables, files, folders, clips, pins, ballpoint, pen, pencil, pencil case, colored pencils, marker, lockers, backpack, blackboard, classroom, student notice board, teacher, student, school bell, whiteboard, desk, chair, clock, calculator, computer, laptop, printer, map, chalk, globe, magnifying glass. Hey, Larry, are you sitting comfy on your desk and chair? Morning, Linda. Yes, I am. Thanks, but my computer is using much space. You need a laptop like me, it doesn't use much space. By the way, what day is it today? I want to use the chalk to write it on the whiteboard to surprise Mr. Humphrey, our teacher. Let me check the calendar on the notice board near the map. Oh, it's Wednesday, the 14th of March. What did you think of the chemistry lesson yesterday? It was pretty cool. I really liked when Mr. Johnson taught us how to experiment with the test tubes and observe the reactions. Did you see the colors change in the beaker? Yeah, that was amazing. I was a bit nervous when he asked us to cut the paper with scissors and use the funnel or the flask or set of tubes to pour the liquids. But it turned out great. I know. I had to calculate how much liquid to use. Thank goodness I had my calculator. By the way, did you bring your notebook? I forgot mine in my locker, so I had to borrow some papers from Sarah, and I will use a stapler and a folder and hole punch to organize them. I did, but I left my pencil case in my backpack. Luckily, I had a ballpoint pen in my pocket. Oh, and I opened my glue bottle and almost spilled it everywhere when we were doing the craft project, and next time I will use glue stick or scotch tape. That's funny. I had to ask Miss White for a new highlighter because mine dried out. She said it was okay and gave me a yellow one. And when we were in math class, did you use your set square, compass and protractor to draw those angles? Yep, I did. I even used my ruler to make the lines straight. Then, during art class, I grabbed my paintbrushes and palette to mix some colors. I wanted to draw a landscape with the paint, not crayons or colored pencils. I am glad I didn't use my eraser a lot. Did you see the picture on the screen in the art room or the one near the blackboard? I tried to copy it. There are portrait and still life paintings there too. I saw it. You did a great job. I also read a bit from the art book to get some ideas. And in music class, we got to sing our favorite songs. I was surprised that we didn't have to play any music instruments today. Yeah, I was expecting we would, too. Oh, and when we were in English class, I had to spell some tricky words. I'm glad I remembered to study last night. Did you listen carefully when Miss Green was talking about grammar? I tried to, but I was distracted by the clock ticking. It felt like time was moving so slowly. I wish we could just spend all day in the science lab instead. It's more fun to experiment than to think about verbs and nouns. Totally. Oh, and don't forget our homework. We have to write an essay about our favorite planet. I might use the globe in the classroom to help me choose. Do you have any ideas? I'm thinking about Saturn. I'll ask my mom to print out some pictures using our printer at home. I'm also going to cut out some images to stick in my writing pad. But first, I'll need to sharpen my pencil with my sharpener. That sounds cool. I'll do the same with my essay on Mars. I just need to find my clipboard to keep my papers together. And maybe I'll use some labels to keep everything organized. I've got a lot of work to do tonight. Me too. But we can do it. After all, we learned a lot today. I'm glad we can always ask our teachers for help when we're stuck. Yeah, they're always willing to give us advice. And if we ever get confused, we can say so, and they'll explain again. I guess we'd better start on our homework now. Good idea. Let's meet up tomorrow and compare notes. Don't forget to bring your backpack and all your supplies. I won't. See you tomorrow, Larry. See you, Linda.